If you're thinking about buying a telescope but aren't sure what to choose and don't want to spend hours reading reviews online, don't worry. We've done the work for you and brought you the best telescopes for stargazing. Let's jump straight into our list, starting with the Celestron NexStar 8 SE. The Celestron NexStar is a high-end telescope that offers excellent optical quality and innovative design. Equipped with an 8-inch lens and an automatic object tracking system, this telescope is ideal for amateur and professional observers. Its computerized mount makes it easy to locate stars, planets, and other celestial bodies, making observation much easier and more accurate. In addition, its compact design makes it easy to carry and set up anywhere. It weighs around 15 kilograms when you include the tripod, and it's definitely a telescope for serious users. But it's also great for beginners too, with its advanced features and easy-to-use system. Next on our list is the Orion SkyQuest XT8 telescope. The Orion SkyQuest XT8 is another high-quality telescope that offers excellent optical performance and ease of use. With an 8-inch aperture and a Dobson-type mount, this telescope offers clear and detailed images of planets, nebulae, and galaxies when viewing. Its rugged and stable design makes it ideal for long-term observation, while its affordable price makes it an excellent choice for beginners and enthusiasts alike. It's a popular powerhouse with limited computer assistance to make stargazing more efficient and enjoyable. It's also one of the best-rated telescopes under $500. However, one of its disadvantages is that the telescope does not provide something close to its full potential out of the box. Celestron Travelscope 70. The Celestron Travelscope 70 has the versatility to be used in both terrestrial and astronomical applications, as its compact and portable design makes it ideal for transportation. It has the advantage of having all its optical elements made of coated glass, which allows us to obtain clear and sharp images. As the name suggests, it has a 70mm aperture with the magnification range going from 20 to 165 times, depending on the eyepiece used. It's a very simple telescope that, inevitably because of such a short focal length, has a high chromaticity, and that's something to take into account. The Celestron Travelscope is a portable telescope designed specifically for travelers, offering impressive optics in a lightweight package. Because of its simplicity, it's also much cheaper than others on the market, usually around $100, but for up-to-date pricing on all scopes, please see our links below. Next on our list, we have the Zoomion Gravity 150 EQ. The Zoomion Gravity 150 is a telescope with a precise Newtonian mirror, ideal for observing the moon, planets, star clusters, and nebulae. Its compact design allows you to take it anywhere. It comes with a wide range of eyepiece accessories, as well as an astronomical mount for accurate tracking of the objects you want to see in the sky. It has a 150mm aperture and a 1400mm focal length. This large aperture provides a bright image, allowing you to observe dim objects in the universe directly through the eyepiece. Some users have expressed concerns about the stability of the mount and the quality of the optics. They suggest that the Zoomion will effectively perform like a smaller telescope due to the lack of a parabolic mirror, providing very limited contrast. Despite that, it's still a relatively cheap telescope compared to others on the market, which makes it a budget-friendly option for beginners or casual skygazers. Telmu Telescope. This telescope is equipped with a second-generation K25mm eyepiece and 6mm telescope with magnification from 28 to 116 times. The 60mm wide aperture provides stronger focusing power, allowing you to see darker and more distant objects. The eyepiece has a diameter of 31.7mm and good optical quality. The telescope image is inverted, and it uses a diagonal prism at 45 degrees. The Telmu 70mm refracting telescope is a beginner-friendly device that's designed to spark curiosity for space. astronomy, and science. However, it's important to note that the telescope has limitations. You aren't going to get good images of planets and deep space objects, as it's mainly used for lunar observations. If you're looking for a telescope for serious astronomical observations, you may need to consider other options on the list. The Telmu 70 is said to be more of a good kid's toy. Next, we have the Watcher Classic 200p Dobsonian telescope. The Watcher Classic telescope is a popular choice among astronomy enthusiasts due to its excellent optical performance and rugged design. With a 200mm aperture and Dobsonian mount, this telescope delivers sharp, detailed images of celestial objects. Its ease of use and affordable price make it an excellent choice for beginners and experienced observers alike. The telescope is designed to be placed under a dark night sky to view deep space objects. The focal length of the Watcher 200p is 1200mm, which is a good balance between magnification and field of view. Unistellar EV Scope 2. The Unistellar EV Scope 2 is a high-tech digital telescope that's fully motorized and controlled with an app. It's definitely a futuristic telescope for the digital age, and everything on it is automatic from its setup to imaging. It requires no prior knowledge of the constellations or any part of the night sky, so anyone can use it. It's equipped with a wider field of view and a higher resolution Sony sensor, making it one of the most refined digital telescopes on the market. However, its high price point may be a deterrent for some. It features an excellent Nikon electronic eyepiece, higher resolution, and more contrasty deep sky images. Overall, it's a fantastic choice for beginners and experienced users interested in astronomy. Now, for our final scope on the list, we wanted to choose something with both great features and price. The Celestron Astro Fi 130. The Celestron Astro Fi 130 is a user-friendly, high-tech telescope that's perfect for beginners. It boasts an excellent optical tube that provides clear visibility of the moon and planets. The mount system is robust and offers plenty of potential for those new to stargazing. The focuser performs well despite being limited to 1.25-inch attachments. The telescope combines new technology with impressive optical prowess at a reasonable price. It offers a completely hands-free experience without the need for a hand control, making navigation fun and accessible, while it provides enough aperture to see a fair amount in the night sky. Some users might find the price point still a little too high. Choosing the right telescope for stargazing can definitely make the difference between a satisfying experience and a disappointing one. All of these telescopes offer excellent optical quality and are ideal for observing stars, planets, and other celestial bodies. However, each has its own unique features that set it apart. The Celestron Nexstar 8 SE stands out for its automatic locating system that makes it easy to find and track celestial objects. The Orion SkyQuest XT8 for its rugged and affordable design. The Celestron Travel Scope 70 for its portability. The Watcher Classic 200 Dobsonian for its optical performance, and the beginner-friendly Telmu telescope for its cheap price. The Celestron Astro Fi 130 is also a great all-rounder for price and performance. We hope this list helped you make your decision. Make sure to join us in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe if you like our content. See you soon.